Alright guys, what is going on guys? Starting the vlog really early. It's early in the morning, and I'm gonna be changing the oil on my car and stuff. And let me show you the engine real quick. Alright, here you got the engine. Kinda old battery right there. But we're gonna have to go somewhere down there where the oil filter is. And yeah, so this is the engine. Pretty good condition. And that's where the turbo goes. And I guess somewhere down there, the filter. And yeah. Alright guys, we're still out here. And we're still trying to figure out how to put it on. But yeah, so my dad's having a hard time reaching over it, so now we're gonna use this thing. He's el mecánico. El mecánico. Di hola, mis fans.
Hi.
He's gonna help me out. We're gonna put on the, ¿cómo se llama eso?
Ramp.
We're gonna put on that ramp so my dad can reach on the bottom and take the filter off. And let me show you where the filter is. Should be like right down there. So now we're gonna put it in the ramp, and yeah, here he is. You gotta put it in there. Un poquito más. Ahí está. Voy a mover el aceite. Ok, un poquito más. Un poquito más. Ahí está. Ya tocó. Alright, we got it on the ramp. Let's check it out. We got it in the ramp. And yep. Sí. That's a doggy. And this is the oil we're gonna use for the Lancer. So. Mi video más de YouTube. Estamos arreglando el oil. This is the filter we're gonna use on the Lancer. And there's Lucky. Lucky, say hi. No, que chismear lo que hacemos. So yeah, we're gonna be fixing the oil, and then it should be running good. Alright guys, just finished the oil filter and oil change. So you can see it's closed. And now we're gonna put new light bulbs. We're gonna change the light bulbs for the license plate down here. We're gonna put LEDs. We're gonna make them white LEDs. Son la focus on LEDs. Blancos. So van a brillar bastante. They're gonna be really bright. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm inside the car, and I think my little brother's coming. I don't know, he should be coming. We're having some trouble right now putting the light bulb into the license plate mount, because I don't even know. But my brother should be here in a couple of seconds. And dude, I already saw you, dude. What the heck?
You man, where?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, nice. I didn't even know.
So we changed the oil, and now we're changing the light bulb.
What light bulb? The one in the back?
Yeah.
Boom.
Alright guys, ready for the meeting, and some Washington Walking Dead before. Yeah. So and it's freaking raining, so we're probably gonna get wet. And yeah. So look at this nigga. Look at this nigga right there. This nigga. Oh, they cut it off. He was gonna die too. But oh, look at this nigga. He's just standing there. Black people are always on the shows. Just saying. Holy crap. Gosh. Oh my god, you. Alright guys, it's current day and I didn't end the vlog yesterday, but yeah. So I didn't go to the gym today because I'll go work at later. And so since I don't work in the morning today, since I'm going to take a little day off. But I do work today at 3, so that's why I took my day off. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this vlog and have a good one.